Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix the power door on a Toyota Sienna, easy method. Begin by disconnecting the battery and testing the door with the switch to isolate power issues. Then check fuses and relays, inspect the wiring at the door hinge for frays, and examine the track and rollers for debris or damage. Use a multimeter to confirm motor voltage before replacing any parts to avoid unnecessary costs. Collect a multimeter, trim tools, a socket set, screwdrivers, penetrating lubricant, and replacement rollers or motor as needed. Start by removing interior trim carefully to avoid clips breaking, then test connectors for voltage while operating the switch. If you find damaged wires, cut back to solid wire and splice with solder and heat shrink, or use crimp connectors for a quick fix. Keep parts organized to simplify reassembly and test frequently. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car repair tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long jobs and fits most cup holders, making breaks easier and cleaner. I use it in the garage all the time. Check the description for the product link and other deals, then grab a sip, and now let's get back to the video. First, test the switch, motor, and wiring to determine if the motor or mechanical parts are at fault. Remove the interior panel, operate the mechanism manually, and check for seized rollers or obstructions. Replace worn rollers or the motor if volts are present but no movement occurs, and lubricate the track after cleaning. Reattach trim, reconnect the battery, and operate the door several times to confirm smooth, reliable function and no unusual noises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.